Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video I am going to be taking you along my 5 a.m. morning routine. I have been getting up at 5 recently and I have really been enjoying it. So I figured I would just take you guys along for the journey, show you everything that I've been doing and just how I prep for the day ahead and how I just get into a good mood and a good mindset and I can really just tackle the day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it motivates you and inspires you to tackle your to-do list today. I hope you do something nice for yourself today because that is equally important. So let's jump into it. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it. Hey guys, it is 5:21. I don't know if you can see it, 5:21. I'm tired. You guys haven't missed much at all. I got up at 5. I got changed into my workout clothes, and here I am. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. So I'm gonna get on the bike, which is right behind me. I'm really trying to do some sweaty exercise in the morning. And the bike is my favorite. I like that I can sit down and I can kind of just ease my way into working out, because it sucks to work out at 5 o'clock in the morning. The one thing I do want to tell you that I always do, and it's been literally life-changing, and I mean that, I'm sure most of you are just going to be like, Jess, you're dumb. But the thing that I've been doing recently, I bought a new water bottle. This is a 25-ounce water bottle, and I fill it up the night before, and then as soon as I wake up in the morning, at 5:01, I try to drink as much as possible. So I try to finish this before I get on the bike. So I'm going to finish this, and then I'm going to get on the bike.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere. Every time we have a day, but unrealistic. I know that you like it, baby boy, and I miss that. Can't be like we used to, Can't be like we used to, Every time we have a day, I shouldn't ever have to feel this way, but
Okay, feeling better. I don't do a lot in the morning in terms of exercise. It takes everything in my body, everything in my power just to get out of bed. I don't do these crazy workouts at 5 a.m. I would love to get to that point, but I'm definitely not there yet. So I just did a really nice sweaty 20-minute bike ride. I'm totally happy with it. And I finished my water. So it is 5:40 and I already have 2 things checked off my list. I did my workout and I drank a ton of water. It's a W. So more often than not, after I work out, I get changed back into my pajamas. I am a very lazy person in the morning, and I just try to I don't want to be uncomfortable. It's still very early. Like I said, it's only about 20 to 6. So Evie's not going to be awake probably for another hour. Evie wakes up anywhere between 6:30 and 7:30. I am filming this video on a Saturday just because it's a lot easier for me. When I'm filming, it usually things tend to take longer because I'm talking to you guys and I'm getting the camera set up and moving things around. So on school days, it is I have no extra time. It is jam-packed. So I'm filming this on a Saturday, but essentially my morning routine is always the same. I try. There are some days whether if Evie's home with me, obviously the weekends are a little bit more lax. I try to do the same thing every morning, but it doesn't always happen. So, like I said, for this video, I'm sorry, I'm so tired. I'm filming it on a Saturday, so things are maybe a little bit different, but generally, like, I still like to get up at 5. I still like to get my workout in. So from here, I'm going to get changed back into my pajamas because I like to be comfy. And I am going to do a little laundry. I like to start laundry right away. Then I'm going to move into reading. I really, really like that. I was watching some TV while I worked out, but now that I'm done, I like to be a little bit more intentional, and I like to get some reading done as well as journal. I have a gratitude journal that I work in every day, so I want to do those things. So yeah, let's get that laundry done and let's go upstairs and start our like mindfulness practices. So I just wanted to pop on quick and let you guys know about the gratitude journal that I work in every morning. It's from Amazon. I'll definitely have it linked in the description box. It's a guided gratitude journal, meaning that like they give you prompts and you just like write through them and journal through them. I like this a lot better than just like a plain notebook. Sometimes I have trouble with that, and it helps to have like prompts in front of you. I've really been enjoying it. I'll definitely leave it in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Doing a gratitude practice every morning is just a wonderful way to start your morning. I definitely recommend it. So, after my gratitude journal, I'm actually going to start my morning chores. And first up is a load of laundry. I start with laundry, folding laundry, just because it's quiet and everybody's still asleep at this point. So I try my best to be as quiet as possible. So I finish my coffee and I fold some laundry. And actually, right as you would expect her to, Evelyn woke up at 6:50, right in the middle of me folding laundry. So after I'm done with laundry, I'm gonna make her breakfast, and then I will keep going with the chores.
Tell me who broke your heart, 'cause I could tell you who demolished mine. Tell me how you got those scars. I'll find the beauty in every line across your skin. It's like you're convinced that you're stuck the way you are, driving in your car to reach a dead end. Is that all this is? It's cool if you think that I'm wasting my time, but you've gotta stop holding me back. What's up with that? I don't wanna love you It's like you're convinced that you're stuck the way you are, driving in your car to reach a dead end. Is that all this is? It's cool if you think that I'm wasting my time, but you've gotta stop holding me back. What's up with that? I don't wanna love you. Try to convince, use every trick that's up my sleeve. I don't wanna beg you. Show you my soul if you're gonna hold it all against me. When you push me enough to break, you're pushing me away.
So, as far as my morning chores go, this is kind of where things get a little bit crazy just because it was the weekend. If this is a school morning, usually things look a little bit different, but because this was the weekend, I just decided to push through. Right after I made breakfast, I started unloading the dishwasher. That is something that I always try to do. And then I'm actually going to get myself ready for the day. Like I said, if this was a school morning, I generally don't get myself ready for the day. That usually happens after I do drop off. But because it was the weekend, I decided I would just, I don't know, put on some makeup and feel good and look pretty. So I'm going to get myself ready and then I'm actually going to keep going with the chores. And really in the morning, all I try to get accomplished are what you've seen, like a load of laundry, get the dishes done, and get the bedrooms in order. So, again, like I said, because this was the weekend, I decided to treat Evelyn and clean her room a little bit more thoroughly than just like throwing the bed together. Normally, she is in charge of her bedroom throughout the week, but it was Saturday morning and she was having a good time, so I decided to tackle her room. So going to make her bed as well as Chris and as well as our bed. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. And then to wrap up my morning routine, I am going to put the laundry that was in the washer that I started at like 5:30 or 6 o'clock this morning. I'm going to put that in the dryer, and that is going to be it. So, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, guys. I hope this motivated you and inspired you to tackle your to do list. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time.
When we were 15, I remember the car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see